Welcome, in front of me I have NOKIA XR20 and today I'll show you speaker sound quality test. So I'm going to play this no copyright music on YouTube at the highest quality, as you can see, and also you will be able to check the highest volume level, because here we got this kind of the tool that will measure the level when I set up the highest volume level on the smartphone. So the speaker we can find in this place, and that's where I'm going to put our tool. Just like that. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound. And by the way, the highest volume level that our tool reach is 109 decibels. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.